ezyZip.
How to extract VPK files online. Go to ezyZip.com, click on Uncompress, then Others, then navigate to VPK Files Extractor. Click Select VPK Files to open the file chooser, and select the VPK file you wish to extract. If it is a multi-volume archive, make sure to select all the VPK files. The system will begin processing your archive. It may take a few seconds depending on the file size. Once the extraction is complete, you can click Preview to inspect the extracted file. Click on Save to save the extracted content to your selected folder. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe, it would mean a lot to us.